Morning. All right. What the heck? Huh. White haze. So, well, apparently rain has a new flavor. That's weird. Well, there's a chance we could look at going long here. New York Open. We would just need this to start pointing up. It's been wiggling a little bit, but we're going to have to get back up here within the minute. I don't think it's going to happen, but okay, so no trade. Okay, so we are starting to wiggle down on our 4 hour, which means we are looking to go short, or could be. I don't think trading conditions are ideal when this is wiggling around. We usually want this to be pretty solid, but it is what it is. So this white haze flavors, now I know what it's supposed to be. It's actually pretty good. It's like grapefruit. Citrus, like lime, orange, and grapefruit. I liked another. Alright, probably gonna be going short here. Okay. All right, we're in. And of course, right when we get in, we get a big ol' engulfing bullish candle. Okay, here we go. Just a little pullback. And if it's looking just to get back down to this level, we definitely got room. Oh, if you could see what I'm doing. So, 5. Oh, hey, would you look at that? Oh, never mind. It's old news. But no, on our 5-minute chart, we got plenty of room to make it back down and retest this level here. Close. Just a little further. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Oh, seriously? It went through? Oh my gosh. touched it. It literally touched it. It touched my take profit level. Alright, let's actually get filled here. Oh, come on. Okay, that's a good candle. Come on, let's get down. Let's just get filled. Oh my gosh. Come on, get down there. There we go. Cool. First trade's a winner. So we're just gonna let this runner run either until it gets stopped out where we've brought it back up to our break even at our entry. That way we've locked in our profits with our first leg of our trade, or we'll close it out when this starts wiggling back toward the upside. Hopefully we can get a really good move to the downside here, but I actually think we're going to pretty much bottom out right here. And then we're probably going to look to keep making our way up. And since this is wiggly, we might actually get some trades to the upside today as well. But that's just if I had to guess. In fact, is this a significant level anywhere else? I mean, a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's reacted here. Here and here, but I would think this would be a little more significant. Okay, we're probably gonna get stopped out here. Yep, alright, that's okay. Well, we got the 100 ticks we were looking for. So first trade of the day is good. Oh, why do these always get wonky? Don't understand. Yeah, so why is this so late? Yeah, I don't want notifications. They're not helpful. They're not going to be fast enough. So two things we're looking for. One of two scenarios. Number one, this comes up past the 20, pulls back below the 20, we go short. Or we bounce off of this level here. This bends back up to get maxed out toward the upside. This bends up. And we wait for our signal to go long over here. And we go long. So really could go either way at this point. This is probably going to make its way down to this level right here. Yeah, it was reacting right here, good amount. There's a little bit going on right there, but yeah, earlier I'd said this seems like it would make a little bit more sense. Started pulling back a little bit. I thought it was going to keep going, but luckily, our trading strategy is based off of our indicators here and not based off of price action analysis, which I feel like I'm decent at the analysis. I just am not good at knowing what to do with that information. Yeah, I'll show you my first trade of the day here. So we took a short trade, 735. Entry was right here. Kind of wiggled around a little bit. Hit our first profit target right here. And then our runner got stopped out at a break even. So, but we are up overall for the day, which is good. If we didn't get any more trades today, we'd be happy with that. Okay, yeah. Alright, so we're messing with this level I drew here. Okay, that's about where that, about where that tail is, so. Could just blow through and completely ignore this. I would think there'd be, a bit of a pullback, test this level as resistance, and then make its way further down. Or if this candle closes above this, then maybe this is a test of this level as support, and goes back up, or it just has a little pullback and retests. Yeah, I find I'm actually pretty decent at calling out some of the scenarios, but not being able to take a trade based off of the, choosing which one it's actually going to be. So we stick with a trade strategy that's just completely objective, and we take trades based off of what certain indicators are doing. apparently, according to my smartwatch, I have an excellent energy score. Cheers. Okay, so it looks like we came up here to retest this level. And this is one of those things where, you know, different traders are going to have different preferences as to where they draw their levels. I mean, we could just draw this, make this a zone. You know, whether traders prefer to draw the level at the top of the, or at the bottom of the body of the candle, or the wick. But in any case, we're reacting at that level for sure. And I think if we close below the wick of this candle, or the tail of this candle, I think it will continue to make its way down. I think it'd be fun to take a mock trade here. We'll just do our same position size with the account that we're currently trading. Yeah, so we're not taking actual trade here, but we'll see how it goes as if I did take a trade here, because I would think after kind of like this, it continues to push down to the next level. And these are actually really big candles. So price is actually moving really fast. Okay, so we would have hit our first. Oh, no. No. I didn't mean to close this trade out. Yeah, well, that would have been a good trade. And our runner would be really running too. It's kind of annoying that it didn't keep running. Is it? No, I closed it by accident. Okay, well. Alright, let's see. Where's the price going? Where's it heading? Here? Okay, so it's at a level now. Just move this one down. Why do I always need to adjust this? Let's see, our entry was right here. Yeah, so that runner would still be going. Let's see what's past this. Yeah, kind of hard to say. Yeah, our 5 candle ATR is 2.76 right now. So these are actually large candles, very big candles. Price is moving fast, moving hard. We typically don't love taking trades when our ATR, 5-minute ATR is above 2. It's something we've been known to do sometimes, but I think if we do that, we want to make sure that all the conditions are in our favor, that we're not fighting up against levels or anything like that. But I think typically it's just not a good idea. There are, yeah, it's tough though, because I mean, if the price is moving fast and if it goes your way, then you could make a lot of money in a single trade, but it also means that you can just lose your trade almost immediately as well. So, I mean, you guys saw when I took this mock trade here, if we wanted to sell. So this isn't real, but yeah, that's not a very, oops, actually show. Yeah, so we don't have to go very far to hit our take profit, but we also don't have to go very far, relatively speaking, to hit our stop loss. And, you know, that could be one candle. So we could lose that in under a minute. So, not something that we love doing. And we just won the trades that we took. So that's funny. Right here. So here is what I would want to happen to where we can take another trade to the short side. I would want, where's my doodle? I'd want the price to go back up, bounce. Why is that black? I'll change it. But break back through, bounce off of this, and then go down. Oh my gosh! What is happening? So, make this a color you can actually see. So this is the hope, because that would actually break us above our 20 level here and then break us back below for us to get a signal to go short. Still very large candles though. I mean, even if with these relatively small ones, we're still well over 2 on our 5 candle ATR. So the average size of our 5 candles here, 5 previous candles, is 232 ticks. Which is big. I kind of find that the ideal ATR for our trade strategy is like 1 to 1.2 maybe. Don't take trades if it's under 0.5. And strong hesitation to take trades if it's 2 or above. Well, this doesn't seem to be doing what we wanted it to. Ah! Man, too bad our... So when we went short here, too bad our runner got stopped out when it pulled back here, because this would have been a lot of extra money we would have made on that trade. Today's video is brought to you by White Haze Rain. Not because I'm sponsored, but because I wouldn't be awake without it. New flavor, it's actually really good. Well, we got our one good trade. Got a good trade today. Oh, here we go. All right, so we're starting to show a pullback, and if we can break above our... Oh. That's not good. That was weird. I think we're good now. Looks like we lost internet connection there for a second. Refresh this. Okay, well that was a little weird. Okay, we're back. Okay, so we are breaking above our 20 level, assuming this doesn't shoot back down. And let's see. Make sure we're still alive. Okay. And we will go ahead and look for a short trade if we push back down below. However, see, yeah, this is kind of what I was saying. These candles are really big. Price is moving pretty fast right now, which can be good, but can also, I think overall it's going to lower our win rate when the price is moving this fast. But then again, like I said, if the trade does go our way, it tends to be very good. Let's go ahead and draw our levels that we had before here. So we had one here, and then we had one down here somewhere, right here. Alright, yeah. And then earlier I had a sketch kind of showing what we were hoping could happen. It looks like it's actually happening, where it goes boop, boop, just like that. Oh, hey, nice, it stayed white. That's good. So this is kind of what we're hoping for. If we actually make it all the way back up to this level, bounce off that, then that should give us plenty of time for us to take our trade and have all this movement even you know, back down to this level, and then also give us enough room for our runner to run for where we won't get stopped out for if there's a small pullback before it breaks through and continues down. That is what we want to happen. because then we're actually pushing up above our 80 level. And if all these stay the same, then we can actually take a trade once we start bending back down toward the downside if we're above the 80 level. Okay, we are above the 80 level now, so assuming that this stays maxed to the downside and this stays pointing down, which this should, then we will go short. Looks like the candles have shortened up a little bit. This is actually a lot. Yeah, we're a lot more comfortable with 1.7 at our ATR than we are with anything above 2. Still, you know, decently large candles here, but I mean, if this gets any bigger, yeah, we're still cooking. We're cooking. Even if this doesn't make it all the way up back to this level, it just means that it starts making its way back down. That's just retesting this. So it doesn't necessarily matter how high we go here, but if we actually get up here, then a trade or a signal to the downside I think would be a little bit stronger, but also I think if we all do make it all the way up here, this is no longer going to be pointing down. think there actually was an orange folder at 8. I mean, I don't think it really affected much. Price was already moving pretty fast before the folder. Orange folder event. Okay, so I actually need to be paying closer attention, because if we start wiggling down, we're going short. As long as this stays the same. And this could actually be where it happens. We got our 50 moving average here, so we don't put a lot of stock into, you know, analysis on our 1 minute chart, but we'll still do it. Do some analysis. It doesn't really look like there's much resistance between where price is and this level here. Yeah, well, actually, I mean, if people are drawing at the bottom there, then yeah, that makes a little more sense. Just to maybe, yeah, that's not that much closer though. Well, we'll leave it up. Oh no! I didn't want to move that. Okay, yeah, we seem to be getting a bit stuck right here. Still pretty big candles. Not as big as they were, but they're still pretty big. Keeping a close eye here, because we're going to go short if this bends down. Okay, no. The heck? Oh, that's funny. Okay, are we gonna get some bendy? Some bendy. No, not yet. Oh, and the worst part is I really gotta go pee. Wait, I think I got a second. I can go real quick at the post of this candle. Should be fine. I'll be back before the next post. Yeah, we're good. Oh no. Okay, we can still actually get in here. All right. What? That's a terrible entry. That's not where I had my limit set. Gosh dang it. Yeah, I had my limit set right at the bottom of this candle, and we got filled. What the heck? I might as well have done a market buy, or market sell. Well, it is what it is. Hopefully we can just scream down and get filled quick. Okay, ATR wasn't too big either, so yeah, dang, dude, if we had gotten in at our actual limit, we could have gotten filled when it got right here. Come on, man, there's a reason why I put a limit order. Yeah, again. Stop loss. Stop loss is just above here, so yeah, like I said, pretty big candles. There's not a ton of room to have this go forever. I would like it if our stop is actually above here, at least one of these levels. Where is our stop? Speaking of, I need to add my stop on our second leg. There we go. Jeez. All sorts of weird things happening. Okay, stop loss 48.54. It is not. It is below, so that's not ideal, but it is what it is. Man, I'm really peeved that we didn't get our position filled at our limit. Like, that's a solid 25 points or so. That's off. Okay, maybe wouldn't have gotten filled just quite, but still be a better position to be in. Okay, we're passing back below our 20, which is good. Yeah, if we didn't already hop in, we could have hopped in here actually. So I'm not super worried about this trade yet, because I think we're just kind of looking at everything. I think everything's looking okay here. As he nervously scratches his head. Push, 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 push. this is getting bendy. That's actually not good. Oh yeah, we don't want that pointing up. Hopefully this level holds. Definitely are in a bit of a channel right now, so hopefully that stays to be the case. Okay, pushing back down. Haven't seen any bendy on our 5-minute yet, so that's good. This is starting to look like it wants to bend back down, which is also good. Oh. What the freak, dude? Watch this do exactly what I thought it was going to do. Bounce down. Really, really wish we had gotten filled where we had wanted. That was right here. Yeah, I mean, I guess even if we did get filled where we needed to be, we still would have lost because it didn't quite make it. Yeah, and that's what I was saying. You know, when our ATR is a little higher, it does lower our percentage win rate a little bit. But it does make the winners do tend to be better. Dang it. Man, we've just been getting some setbacks after setbacks in this account here. Well, what does my other account look like? It's our 5,000 account looking like it's about to breach. It's not too far off. So both our $10,000 and $5,000 accounts are one bad trade away from breeding. Yeah, that's what you get when you take trades when you're not following your trade plan like I did a few days ago. All right, well, not getting any more trade signals, so we'll go ahead and call it. So, well, we were up for the day until that last trade that just barely didn't get filled and went against us. So,